Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Convictive Outlook as he cannot do these videos since his sister stole his iPad charger and he needs to get a new one and we don't know when that will be. So, anyway, he has to conserve the battery on his iPad, so I'm filling in for him for the time being. Anyway, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses extreme southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern corner of Wyoming, and most of South Dakota. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Pierre, South Dakota, Huron, South Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. Alright, we have a marginal tomorrow that encompasses eastern Montana, western and southern North Dakota, much of South Dakota, parts of South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, much of northern and central Nebraska, far northeastern corner of Colorado, most of Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern and eastern Illinois, most of Indiana, western Ohio, most of Michigan, and that's pretty much it for the marginal. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses most of South Dakota. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Aberdeen, South Dakota, Watertown, South Dakota, Brookings, South Dakota, Mitchell, South Dakota, and Pierre, South Dakota. And now to tomorrow's wind threat. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, encompassing extreme southeastern Montana, extreme northeastern Wyoming, and much of South Dakota. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Pierre, South Dakota, Huron, South Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses eastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, western, southwestern, and southern North Dakota, eastern, southern, and southwestern South Dakota, far northeastern Colorado, central and northern Nebraska, northern Iowa, most of Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, northern and eastern Illinois, most of Michigan, most of Indiana, and western Ohio. The 5% wind risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Minneapolis, Minnesota. And now to tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, encompassing the far southeastern corner of Montana, the far northeastern corner of Wyoming, and much of South Dakota. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Rapid City, South Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, Pierre, South Dakota, Huron, South Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. And we have a 5% hail risk tomorrow, encompassing eastern Montana, southwestern, western, and southern North Dakota, eastern, southern, and southwestern South Dakota, northeastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, far northeastern corner of Colorado, most of Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern and eastern Illinois, the southwestern part of the UP of Michigan, western Michigan, most of Indiana, and western Colorado. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and St. Paul, Minnesota. In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible Saturday over South Dakota, primarily during the late afternoon through the late evening period. Large hail and severe gusts appear to be the primary hazards with the stronger storms. So, anyway, that's your Day 2 outlook. So, anyway, and again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks until he can get either his charger back from his sister or he can buy a new one. But for right now, I'm filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks for these videos until further notice. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, even the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning, and I will have my Day 2 fire weather outlook tonight. Take care.